Christopher Gagdula, and so please stand by. Ang hina ng volume. And of course, I would like to congratulate Dave, the School of Music, for extending their assistance to our event for tonight. And of course, million thanks to those who supported our endeavor for 4 years now and for making this event a night to remember kahit umuulan. Huwag po natin kalimutan, minsang pinigtas ng ating pambansang bayani, God Jose Rizal, na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng tumulong kahit umuulan sa pagdiriwang namin ito. Maraming salamat po. Ayos ba, Jeff? Once more on stage, Nakita Bata, Abigail Marquez, Mike Darrell Marquez, and Christopher Gagdula. Alright, palakpak naman kayo.